Hello beautiful people, today I'm gonna unbox a new microphone and it's the HyperX SoloCast. So as you can see here we have the box and I'm sorry because it's looking like this and yeah, this is how it arrived, but we are gonna see if the microphone is still okay. So yeah, on the front we have a photo with the microphone and as you can see it's Discord and TeamSpeak and OBS certified. We have the HyperX logo and is compatible with PC, Mac and PS4, and it says that it's an Pro Audio USB microphone, and yeah, it's not gonna connect with an XLR or something like that, just a USB, and it's plug and play. On the right side we have again the name, and as you can see it's a cardioid, and it's gonna record the sound just from the front of the microphone, not from the sides or from the back, and you can't change that. But yeah, if you don't want to make podcasts or something like that and to talk multiple people to the same microphone, it's gonna be just fine. But yeah, it's only cardioid, and as you can see here it shows where the sound is gonna come from. It's from the front and nothing from the back and from the sides. And yeah, also it's USB-A, and we got the cable of 2 meters, and it's also Skype and XSplit certified, as you can see. And on the back side again another photo with the mic, and on the top we have a mute button. This is tactile, and I can't wait to try it on. And with the stand you can tilt the microphone, and as you can see on the bottom we have the 3.8 and 5.8 mic mount threading, and you can mount it on any stand and stuff like that. And as you can see it's plug and play, and yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So as I said, this is how the box arrived, and I'm pretty disappointed, but I hope that the mic is okay. So I just cut this thing, and yeah, let's see how it's gonna look like and how the box feels. The box is basic, just from any HyperX product, and yeah, let's see. So as you can see here we have the microphone, and I'm already disappointed because as you can see the box it's not looking great, but you know, I hope the mic is okay. If not, I'm gonna return it. But yeah, let's at least do the unboxing. So over here we have the cable, and as we can see, that's impressive. I didn't know that. It's got an USB-C to USB-A, and that's really great. I didn't expect this. I really like that it's USB-C, because if the cable is gonna broke, we are gonna have no problem with replacing it. So yeah, that's really nice. The cable is thin, but yeah, I don't think that's a problem, and yeah, it's just a normal cable. And the really nice thing is that it's USB-C. Also in the package we have the quick start guide, and as we can see we have a photo with the mic, and it's gonna explain us what everything it is. But I'm gonna tell you that, and we don't need to read it. But if you need to read this thing, you can just pause the video and look at it. And now let's get to the unboxing of the microphone. It's gonna be a little bit different because you know, this thing is broke, but let's see how we can take this out. So we just took this part out, and over here it's the mic. Let's see how it looks like. And as you can see, here is the mic, and it's not that big in reality. It's like, I don't know, let's see, it's just like a marker, and yeah, it's not that big, but it's great that it's not that big, because if we have it in front of us when we are talking, we are not gonna have problems with seeing on the display or something like that. So I really like that it's a small microphone. Okay, the stand, you can tilt it up or down. but I heard that the stand is not that great. It's aluminum, this part, but this part is plastic, and also this part. It's not that great because this microphone, it doesn't have a shock mount already installed in it, and if we have any vibration on the table, it's gonna pick it up very easily. So I really suggest that you should buy a mount or a stand or something like that to avoid this problem. But I'm gonna show you how bad is that problem, or how light is gonna be. I don't really know it. Also, as you can see, here is the mute button, and I can't wait to try it on. And yeah, this is the mic. Let's take it out of this stand, and let's see how it's gonna look like. Okay, this is the mic, and I think if we have an arm or something like that, it's gonna look way better, and way better than this stand. Yeah, it's really nice, and we have a little LED over here, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna all power it on. So now I just connected the mic. The port is over here on the back, and as you can see, just power it on, and we have the LED, and it's red, just like all the HyperX products, and I really like the design. The mute button, we can access it from the top, and it's tactile. It's not a real button. We just lightly press or lightly swipe. And yeah, it's a really neat feature if you want to quickly mute the microphone. And yeah, this is the mic, and I also forgot to show you how the stand is gonna tilt. You can tilt it right, just like that, and you can also tilt it to the left. And yeah, this is the mic, and now let's hear the sound test. Okay, so now I'm back with the sound test, and let's see how this mic is gonna sound like. Now I'm recording directly on the HyperX SoloCast, and I'm recording with OBS, and I don't have any filters. This is the raw sound, and this is how we are gonna sound. Yes, so now I'm holding the microphone, so you can't hear any vibration or stuff like that. And now I'm gonna set it on the table, and let's see the vibration. Okay, so now if I'm tapping slightly on the table, you can already see the problem with this microphone. The problem with this microphone consists with only one thing, in my opinion, is that it doesn't have a shock mount. If you are gonna get this microphone, you should also get a microphone stand or something like that, because you're not gonna have this vibration, and the sound is gonna be like 10 times better. So yeah, I would suggest, if you have the money, you should get a mic stand, that one with the arms and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's a problem that could be solved. But now I'm just using the microphone just how it came out of the box, and I have a mechanical keyboard over here. It's pretty silent, but you can hear a little bit the keys and the vibrations. So now I'm gonna type on it. So if you are gonna talk and game and type, this is how your friends are gonna hear you. So yeah, this is the microphone with the keyboard. Also, I want to show you this microphone. It's cardioid, and with it being a cardioid microphone, you should always talk directly in front of the microphone, and not on the sides and not from the back. But now I'm gonna do a test just so you can see. So now I'm talking directly in front of the microphone. Now I'm gonna talk to the right. Now I'm talking to the right of the microphone, and now I'm gonna talk to the back of the microphone. And as you can see, it's a pretty big difference from the back to the right and to the front. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you also learned something. And be well, be safe.